Jai Srimannarayana, 21st sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Avyaktoksara ityuktaha tamahuhu paramam gatim yam prapya na nivartante taddhama paramam mama. Om. While leading your day-to-day life, spend some time to realize about yourself who is sitting in your body, and spend some time to understand the relation between yourself and Paramatma. This understanding will help you to attain your original nature, from where you don't have to be born into these impermanent bodies again and again. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall spend some time to understand about myself and the relation between myself and you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 69th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Vasudeva said to Nanda that there may be some disasters going to happen in Vrepalle, so you please go back immediately." Then Nanda started from there. On his way, Nanda started thinking about Vasudeva's words and also thinking there may be something happened in Gokulam. There may be something going to happen to his son Sri Krishna, and also getting worried about all that. Now Nanda Harim Jagama Sharanam Utpata Agama Sankitaha. He is praying to Srimannarayana Nanda Maharaj is surrendering to Sriman Narayana. And by the time Nanda went to Gokulam, Kamsena Prahita Ghora Putana Balaghatini Kamsupampuna Balaghatini Putana Pallala Mandala Pattana Mulanila Nellacho Balahimsaka Vinchuchu. There is one Rakshasi Putana. She is sent by Kamsa and she is killing all the babies. Like that, while continuing, she is going every village and town, and finally Yoshitva Mayaya Atmanam, by taking such a beautiful woman form, that Putana Rakshasi entered into Gokulam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter, 21st sloka. Avyaktakshara ityuktaha tamahuhu paramam gatim yam prapya na nivartante taddhama paramam mama. Avyaktakshara ityuktaha tamahuhu paramam gatim yam prapya na nivartante taddhama paramam mama. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.